Namaste, welcome back to Handloom Sari World. Today we are showing you some new arrivals in Korvai Kanchipuram Pattu sarees below 10,000 range. We have a lot of colors and a lot of different patterns in Korvai Kanchipuram Pattu sarees. These are all below 10,000 range. In all the patterns, we have different colors. All these sarees comes with contrast Korvai border, contrast pallu and contrast blouse piece. We have the small peacock butta, we have small checks, and we even have the Rudraksha butta. There are lots of beautiful shades in these Korvai Kanchipuram Pattu sarees. Different shades of greens, different shades of blues, reds, and even some dual shades of orange and pink. All these are pure silk, pure Kanchipuram Pattu sarees. These Korvai Kanchipuram Pattu sarees are priced at 8,600. We have some beautifully woven different designs of borders also. These are dual shades with self-woven checks. We have different shades in these check sarees. The borders also have some beautifully woven designs with peacocks, and the sarees comes with contrast blouse piece. This is also another dual shade in the same. It's a combination of pink and orange. And the saree comes with a contrast navy blue pallu and blouse piece. We have another beautiful shade of green with a contrast pink border. This is a combination of green and yellow. The saree has all over self-woven checks and small buttas within. This is slightly darker shade of the same green. Next we have some Rudraksha butta sarees. We have different colors in the same Rudraksha butta also. This is again a dual shade of pink and orange. The saree has all over peacock butta. The saree comes with a contrast blouse piece. This is another color in the Rudraksha butta. These Korvai Kanchipuram Pattu sarees are priced at 8,600. It's the festival season and the wedding season, so the sarees are moving fast. If you have any requirement, please do send us WhatsApp message. If you have any requirements or any more details needed or to order the sarees, please send us a WhatsApp message. The WhatsApp number is given in the description. The peacock butta also, we have a lot of different colors. All these Kanchipuram Pattu sarees comes with a contrast pallu and a contrast blouse piece. There are lots of different colors in all these patterns. Lot more new colors are coming next week also. So stay tuned for more collection. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated about all our new arrivals. This is again a unique border. The lower border is a unique weaving. It's a slightly different design. We have more colors in this border. These sarees are also priced at 8,600. There are a lot more designs and a lot more colors available. For any further details or to see more pictures of the sarees, please contact us on the WhatsApp number given in the description. This is what we have in the Korvai Kanchipuram Pattu sarees below 10,000. We have a lot more new arrivals in the Korvai Kanchipuram Pattu sarees in 10,000 to 12,000 range. We also have a lot of new arrivals in Paithani sarees and Chanderi sarees. So stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated about all our new arrivals.